Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to add your social media pages on your website. Maybe you want to add Facebook and Instagram on your website. Okay? So now we're on dashboard, you log in as you can see. Then let's go over to plugin. The plugin we're going to use is Elementor. So I just want to quickly show how to add the plugin. So just type here on search. When you go to plugin, just type here and type Elementor, then it will search it for you. It will search it for you. And here's the Elementor. It's this one, Elementor website builder by elementor.com. So mine is already installed and it's activated. So you just click on install, then you activate the plugin. So mine is already installed, and so you can quickly just go to visit site, or you can go over to pages. Let's go with pages. Let's see which page we want to add this. Maybe it's a contact page where we want to add this, but for now I just want to add them in this home page. Then click on edit with Elementor once Elementor is installed. So now we want to edit with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see, Elementor is loading quickly. Okay, now we're on our page. Yes, maybe we want to add them down, yeah, somewhere here. Just remove this, then you click on this add new section, then you click like this. Maybe you want to add them as a 2 or 3 like this. Maybe it's going to be Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, but for now let's try the 2 selected widgets like this. Then let's go back to edit section. Edit section, you can do it like this. Maybe you can just drop the icon. Let's try with the icon section, then icon library. Then once you get into icon, let's type Facebook. I want the Facebook icon. Okay, here the Facebook, so you can choose which one you want. So I would like to go with this one, the roundness one. Okay, so you also can customize color and the styles. Then the primary color for Facebook maybe must look green. It's Facebook light, yeah. Now it's fine. Then you can also customize the size, and you can bring it up a hover color. Maybe when they get here, it's changed to something else, maybe according to your brand, maybe like that. As you can see now, when you get here, the hover, the color thing. The size, you can increase the size or decrease, but I'll leave it like this. Yeah, I think like this is fine. Then let's go back to content. Then you can just move it so that when you add another one here, then you paste the link here. Then you go to your Facebook page or Facebook what, you just paste the link. Just copy the link on top. And let me go to my page. Here's the page. Quickly let me go to my page so that I can copy the link of this page. Here's the link of this page on top. Then let me copy. Then I go back to my website, then I paste the link here. The link is pasted. Then I update. Make sure you update. Once you make the changes, make sure you update. Okay, it's updated now. Okay, remember we're using icon section, so now there's also social media what, but it's fine. Let's leave it as with the icon section. So it's like this. Let's preview so that we can see if this is real or not. Then let's just close the Facebook for now so that we'll get the Facebook there. Okay, here's the Facebook icon. Let's just click and see where it takes us to. Yes, take us to Facebook, to that page. go to what you want. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, you give it a comment, you subscribe. Don't forget to share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. See you next